Hello, guys! Halloween is officially over, but if you're not quite ready for the holidays, this beautiful mani might just be the mani for you. We are going to start with our base coat as usual, and then we're going to add an orange creme for our base. By the way, if you're interested in any of the polishes that I'm using in this video, I always link them in the description of my video so you can check them out there. After those coats dry, we will add a beautiful sun in the corner of our nail. We will connect the rays of sun with a curved line and then fill the space above it with more black polish. Then we will add some small white dots into the filled in area. I added only 3 dots, but you can do more. Add a top coat, and you're done! Except we're not done yet. For a more fun design, go back to before we added our details. You can add an opaque topper on top of our orange base. I'm using Fallen Flake Taco here. Add a few coats of that, or you can sponge it on for a more packed look. Add a top coat, and you're done! This just might be my favorite design thus far, and it's so easy to do. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment with some nail designs that you'd like to see me do. And with that, I'll see y'all later. Bye!